Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we will study Maths class 9 chapter 1 and chapter 1 is rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, now let's start. Maths chapter 1 rational and irrational numbers. Today we will study rational numbers and irrational numbers. Before study rational numbers and irrational numbers, first we know about what is real numbers. First we study real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are the combination of rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers are combination of rational and irrational numbers. So it is compulsory to know that what is real numbers. Real numbers are combination of rational and irrational numbers. Means when all the rational number and irrational numbers are combined, then real numbers are formed. So we can say that all rational numbers are also real number and all irrational numbers are also real numbers. So real number are the combination of rational and irrational. Okay. Now, what is rational number and what is irrational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which we can write in the form of p by q. Rational numbers are those numbers which we can write in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. That is the rational number. Any number which we can write in the form of p by q, where denominator not equal to 0, that is called rational numbers. Okay. For example, look here. For example, 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 7, 0, 1, 2, 7, etc. These are all called rational numbers. So rational numbers are of two types, positive rational number and negative rational number. Rational numbers are of two types, positive rational number and second negative rational number. Okay. Positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. There are two types of rational numbers. And what are rational numbers? Rational numbers which we can write in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. Any number which we can write in the form of p by q are called rational number. Okay, understand? Now rational numbers can be written in the form of first terminating decimal and second non terminating decimal. According to representation in decimal, we are dividing rational number into two parts, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. What are terminating decimal? Look here. 2 upon 5 equal to 0.4. 3 upon 10 equal to 0 upon 0.3, etc. Here you can see that if you will divide by 5 to 2, 0.4 will be answer. If you will divide by 10 by 10 to 3, answer will be 0.3. Here you can see that after dividing, these will be terminate. Look here. Suppose you are divide 5 to. First you have to write 0.54 is 20. Here you can see that it terminates when there is remainder is 0 after dividing, after the decimal point, when the remainder is 0, you can say that terminating decimal. So 0.4, 0.3, these are called terminating decimal. And non-terminating decimal, look here, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, these are the examples of non-terminating decimal, because when you will divide by 3 to 1, 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9, it will be not end. So your answer will be 0.333, etc. Here you can see that remainder is not 0. When remainder is not 0, you can say that non-terminating decimal. Similarly, if you will divide 7 to 1, that will be also be non-terminating decimal. So according to expansion of decimal, we can divide rational number into two parts, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Okay. Now we are again revising. Look here, real number. What are real numbers? Real numbers are combination of rational and irrational numbers. Means the combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. So first we will study rational number. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which we can write in the form of p by q. Any number which we can write in the form of p by q, like a fraction. So that is called rational number, but must q not equal to be 0. Here q not equal to 0. For example, 4 upon 5, this is in the form of p by q. Minus 3 upon 7, it is also in the form of p by q. Here 0, you can write 0 equal to 0 upon 1. So it is also in the form of p by q. So these are all the numbers are rational numbers. Rational numbers are of two types: positive rational number, negative rational number. Okay. And rational numbers are also divided in two sections according to expansion of decimal, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. What are terminating decimal? If you will divide by denominator to numerator, if there is no remainder, then that is called terminating decimal. And non-terminating decimal, if remainder is coming in the expansion of decimal, then that is a non-terminating decimal. Okay. Non-terminating, here you can write repeating. Here you can see that 1 upon 3, if you will divide by 3 to 1, your answer will be 0.333. Here you can see that 3 is repeated, so you can say that non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, in terminating decimal you can see 2 upon 5. If you will divide by 5 to 2, 5 4 is 20, 0.4, it will be terminate, it will be end. So if it will be end, then it is called terminating. If it will not be end, and then that is called non-terminating repeating decimal. So there are two types of rational numbers. So you have to revise all the things, and thank you.